Steve. Hope you're doing great. I'm going to teach you how to play 3 really easy strumming songs from the 60s, 70s, and 80s. Right there, that was Take It on the Run by REO Speedwagon. Super fun song to play in G, and you don't have to do all those little extra hammer-ons, but I'm going to show them to you anyway. I've got one from Jimi Hendrix and one in the middle from the 70s that's going to blow your mind. Everybody remembers it. You're like, man, I forgot about that song. So let's get right to them. So we'll start off in the 60s in E major for Hey Joe by Jimi Hendrix. And you don't need a capo for any of these songs. First chord, though, is a C, C, G, D, A, E. All the way through the whole song. Check out that strumming. C, G, D, A, E. Isn't that cool? I'll throw in those extra notes for free here. So you hit the open A string and hammer it onto the 2nd fret like that, and then the open D. Do that a couple times like that. Then strum an E major and go open D string this time, hammer it on the 2nd fret and 1st fret of the G string like that. Like that. Very cool. C, G, D, da-na-na-na-na. That one is a piece of cake. All right, let's move on to the 70s in D major for Stuck in the Middle with You by Stealers Wheel. Jerry Rafferty was the singer here, and he did Right Down the Line later in the 70s, which is one of my favorites. But this one starts off in D, goes like this. The key is that rhythm right there. These little pops and palm mutes like that. So just practice that in D major. It goes goes to G major, G, back to D, and we're going to A major, A, C, G, D, middle of U. So, that's the D major, that's G, back to D, we're going to A, like that. So that's the main part of the song, and then there's a little bridge that goes like this. G, back to D, goes to G again, G, then it goes to D, then it goes to A minor 7th, you can do a regular A minor, but if you can leave that, G string open like that, please, and back to D, starts rocking. Same thing. If you just want to strum regular, you can. G, like that. But that rhythm, D, is what really drives the song. A to the left of me, C to the right, G, here I am, D, stuck in the middle with you. And last up, from the 1980s, what a blast to play. It's REO Speedwagon with Take It on the Run. It's in G major, and one of the keys here is to include the 3rd fret of the B string the whole time. That allows you to go like this. To a C major, but playing it this way is great because by leaving these fingers on the 3rd fret of the high E and B, you just move these fingers from down here to up here onto these strings. The 3rd fret of the A and 2nd fret of the D. That forms a C major with those 2 strings right there. To D major, back to the C, to the G, and right after that, give it 2 little pops like that, and then go like this. That. So you're playing a D major, but adding a pinky or this finger flat onto the 3rd fret of the high E string. Back to D major and G, and now you're ready for the first verse. C, D, C, G. goes from G major down to E minor, but on the way there's this little walk down. Love it right here. So 3rd fret of the low E string, then 2nd fret of the low E. Just really hit that one note real quickly. 2nd fret of the low E to an E minor. Whether you play it with 2 fingers or 1 finger like I do sometimes, E minor. Take it on the run, baby, C, D, then I don't want you around, G. Does that walk down again? E minor, C, A minor, D. You can add that pinky back on the 3rd fret again to G. So that's the verse and the chorus, and it does it again. And then in the middle, it does that same walk down, G, down to E minor, and you got the guitar solo. So I'll show you the chords behind the solo. C, A minor, C, B, D, like that, but it rocks. It's like E, C, A, C, B, D. So you're hitting those chords a little bit early sometimes. A minor, C, B, D, like that, and then you end up back in G. But no, sorry, you keep going in E minor. Take it on the run, baby. Back to the chorus. C, D, G. One more time. Da-na-na-na-na. C, and then A minor. Da-na-na-na. Take it on the run, D, and then it closes out here with a nice little. Heard it from a friend who C, D, heard it from another you've been seeing around, G. Man, that thing is really fun. If you can tune it up right with the record and rock it, it's a blast to play. Let me know what you think about these 3. Give me some more suggestions, and I'll see you around the channel. Later.